Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Good shot, go up, point to go, police.
Santa Barbara Sports Club has organized for the first time in honor of Mummy Srimati Victoria Fernandez, ex-MLA of Santa Cruz, 6-a-side all-Goa volleyball tournament which started on the 28th of February and the final will be held on 6th of March 2021. The first prize is 30,000 and the second prize is 20,000.